What if just 1 cup before bed could help you sleep better and wake up leaner? Sounds impossible? It's not. This simple nighttime drink is catching attention for one big reason. It works while you sleep. No workout, no diet overhaul. Just a few natural ingredients you probably have in your kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to mix, how to take it, and why it could be the easiest change you make for your sleep and weight. This isn't another trendy hack. It's backed by real science and simple nutrition. But here's the catch. You need to take it at the right time for the best results. Stay tuned, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. As we continue to age, one of the biggest struggles that many people face is unwanted weight gain. Our metabolism, which is responsible for burning calories and maintaining energy levels, naturally slows down with time. The result is that fat begins to accumulate more easily, especially around the belly and waist area. This extra weight not only affects our appearance but also increases the risk of health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and joint pain. Today, we're going to talk about a special drink made from everyday ingredients that can help your body burn fat more efficiently. This drink not only supports weight loss, but also helps you relax and sleep better. Sleep is often overlooked when it comes to fat loss, but it is absolutely critical. When the body gets deep, restorative rest, it activates repair processes, balances hormones, and allows fat to be burned as energy instead of stored. So imagine having just 1 warm cup before bed that helps you sleep peacefully while also encouraging your body to shed excess weight. The first key ingredient in this recipe is cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a spice to sprinkle on desserts, it's one of the healthiest spices in the world. What makes it so special is a compound called cinnamaldehyde. This compound has been shown to activate thermogenic responses in the body. Thermogenesis is the process by which your body generates heat, and in doing so, it burns calories. This means cinnamon can literally turn up your internal furnace and make your body use stored fat for energy. Another incredible benefit of cinnamon is that it helps increase brown fat in the body. Unlike white fat, which sits around your belly and waist doing nothing but storing calories, brown fat is active. It burns energy to keep your body warm and balanced. By consuming cinnamon, your body gets help in turning stubborn white belly fat into more metabolically active brown fat. This transformation is a powerful tool for people who struggle with excess fat around the midsection. But cinnamon doesn't stop there. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels. For people with high blood sugar or those who are at risk of diabetes, this can be life-changing. Cinnamon mimics the effects of insulin, the hormone that allows sugar from your bloodstream to enter your cells. By increasing glucose transport into cells, cinnamon helps reduce sugar spikes and crashes, which often lead to cravings and overeating. So, when you add cinnamon to your nightly drink, you're not only working on fat burning, but you are also supporting healthy blood sugar control. Now let's move on to another powerful spice, black pepper. At first, it might seem unusual to add black pepper to a bedtime drink, but the benefits are undeniable. Black pepper contains an active compound called piperine. This compound plays a major role in enhancing metabolic performance and preventing the accumulation of fat in the body. Just like cinnamon, black pepper is also thermogenic. This means it increases your body's calorie-burning ability and helps you lose fat more quickly. What's fascinating is that black pepper also boosts the concentration of good cholesterol in the body. Having healthy cholesterol levels supports heart health, which is another important factor for overall wellness as we age. And while its flavor is strong, just a small dash in your drink is enough to make a difference. Think of black pepper as a spark that ignites your metabolism, helping your body to keep burning energy even during rest. The third spice in this recipe is paprika. Many people are familiar with paprika as a seasoning that adds flavor and color to dishes. But it also has some very impressive health benefits. Paprika is rich in capsaicin, the same compound that gives chili peppers their heat. Capsaicin increases body temperature and creates a thermogenic effect, meaning your body begins burning calories faster after you consume it. This process, known as dietary-induced thermogenesis, significantly raises the rate at which your body uses energy, even when you're not exercising. But paprika is not only about fat burning. It is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These properties make it very helpful for people dealing with conditions like arthritis, joint pain, or skin problems such as acne. By reducing inflammation, paprika allows your body to heal and function more effectively. Another unique benefit of paprika is its role in improving sleep. It contains vitamin B, which is essential for the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. It also helps stimulate serotonin and norepinephrine, brain chemicals that make you feel happy and stress-free. This means paprika not only helps you burn fat, but also contributes to better mood and deeper rest. To balance out the spices and give the drink a natural sweetness, we use raw honey. Unlike processed sugar, raw honey is packed with nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants. It has antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it much more than just a sweetener. Raw honey helps detoxify the liver and intestines, allowing the digestive system to remove waste more efficiently. When your digestion is clean and working properly, weight loss becomes much easier and quicker. Honey also plays an important role in protecting the brain and reducing oxidative stress in the body. The antioxidants in honey neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause aging and disease. On top of that, honey helps activate recovery hormones that support fat burning while you sleep. This makes honey the perfect finishing touch to this powerful bedtime elixir. So, how do you prepare this drink? The recipe is very simple. Start with 1 cup of hot boiling water. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a dash or 2 of black pepper. Finally, mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey or another natural sweetener if you prefer. Stir everything well while the water is still hot so that the spices and honey dissolve properly. What you get is a soothing aromatic drink packed with fat-burning, sleep-boosting properties. Drink this cup about 30 to 45 minutes before going to bed. The warmth of the drink will help you relax, while the ingredients go to work in your body. Together, they create a perfect combination that supports both fat loss and relaxation. The beauty of this elixir is that it is not only effective, but also natural and safe. You're using ingredients that have been trusted for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. There are no harmful chemicals, no expensive supplements. Just simple, everyday spices and honey that you can find in any grocery store. Another great thing is that this drink can also be taken in the morning. If you prefer, you can drink it 30 to 45 minutes before breakfast. This will help kickstart your metabolism for the day, giving you more energy and helping you burn calories right from the start. Whether you drink it in the morning or before bed, you will still benefit from its powerful effects. When you combine this nightly habit with healthy lifestyle choices, such as eating balanced meals and staying active, the results can be remarkable. Within a short period of time, many people notice better digestion, deeper sleep, more energy, and gradual weight loss. The spices work together like a team, each one bringing unique benefits that complement the others. And the best part is, this is not a quick fix fad, but a natural way to support your health in the long term. So, if you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, poor sleep, or low energy, give this drink a try. It's simple, effective, and completely natural. And remember, the journey to better health does not have to be complicated. Make this recipe part of your routine, share it with your friends and family, and notice how your body responds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.